100 days. 100 days of wrestling with code, celebrating small victories, and pushing past frustrating roadblocks. 100 days of transforming from a coding newbie to someone who can confidently build, debug, and deploy. This isn't just about lines of code, it's about personal growth. It's about proving to myself that I can embrace challenges and come out stronger on the other side. This journey wouldn't have been possible without the unwavering support of incredible individuals. To my family and friends, thank you for enduring my late-night coding marathons and celebrating every milestone, no matter how small. Your belief in me fueled my determination. This experience has been a powerful reminder that anything is possible with dedication and the right support system. It hasn't always been easy, but the rewards have been immeasurable. My family and friends became my cheerleaders, my sounding board, and my source of endless snacks. Their encouragement, often delivered with a side of gentle humor, kept my spirits high during moments of self-doubt. They reminded me to take breaks, to celebrate the small wins, and to never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. My friends, fellow coding enthusiasts, and even those who couldn't tell Java from JavaScript, became my constant source of motivation. They listened patiently to my coding triumphs and frustrations, offering words of encouragement and advice drawn from their own experiences. Their unwavering belief in me, even when I doubted myself, gave me the strength to push through challenges and emerge as a more confident coder. To each and every one of you, thank you. Your support has been invaluable. Navigating the vast coding universe can feel overwhelming, especially for a beginner. That's where my mentors came in, experienced coders who generously shared their knowledge, wisdom, and occasional doses of tough love. They patiently explained complex concepts, demystified cryptic error messages, and offered invaluable insights from their own coding journeys. Their guidance helped me avoid common pitfalls, encouraged me to explore new technologies, and inspired me to strive for excellence in every line of code I wrote. One mentor in particular taught me the importance of writing clean, maintainable code, a lesson I'll carry with me throughout my coding career. To my mentors, thank you for being the guiding stars in my coding constellation, illuminating the path toward becoming a skilled and confident developer. One of the most unexpected and rewarding aspects of this journey has been discovering the incredible power of the online coding community. From forums and Slack channels to online workshops and hackathons, I found myself surrounded by a global tribe of passionate individuals who shared my love for coding. This community became my virtual support system, a place where I could ask questions, share my struggles, and celebrate my successes with people who understood the unique challenges and rewards of learning to code. The generosity and willingness to help within these online spaces were truly inspiring. I learned so much from the shared experiences, diverse perspectives, and collaborative spirit of this online community. It's amazing how technology can connect us with like-minded individuals from all corners of the globe, fostering a sense of belonging and shared purpose. Looking back on these 100 days, I'm amazed by how far I've come. What started as a daunting challenge has transformed into an exhilarating journey of continuous learning and growth. I've learned to embrace the inevitable frustrations of debugging, to find joy in the aha moments of understanding, and to appreciate the power of perseverance. I've faced countless challenges, spent hours troubleshooting cryptic error messages, and even dreamt in code on occasion. But with each obstacle overcome, each line of code successfully written, my confidence grew and my passion for coding deepened. This journey has not only equipped me with valuable technical skills, but has also instilled in me the importance of problem solving, critical thinking, and embracing a growth mindset. These are skills that extend far beyond the realm of coding, enriching my personal and professional life.